Good morning friends, welcome to our computers. Today I am going to explain about text box, ODOT, drop cap. These are all things we will discuss in this video. First of all, what is text box? Text box brings some focus to the content. So what we enter the text in the text box, it will be very focused, total the document. Okay, how to use the text box? Just click on the text box like this, click on the text box. Some text box formats will display like this. Select any one of it. So I selected simple text box. So whenever I clicked on the text box, immediately here format menu will display. Before itself there is no format menu. So whenever I click on the text box format, immediately the format menu will display. Text box tools format like this. Okay, immediately it will display. So in the text box I have to enter some text. So I am going to enter the text like I wear computers. I wear computers. Like this I entered. Here, see here, draw text box, text direction, create link. These are all things are there. Text box styles are there. Okay. So I am going to, if you want to change the text direction, then click on the text direction here. Immediately see the text direction, it is changed like this, like this. So which direction you want, just you select this one. Next, here text box styles are there. See here, so many styles are there. Select any one of it like this. Okay, here shape fill is there. Shape fill, shape outline here. So shape fill is there. If you want to fill another color in the inside the text box, so simply press shape fill option like this. Shape outline is there. Shape outline. Some if I want to red color the shape outline, so immediately it will change like this. So now there is no format menu. Whenever again I will click on the text box, immediately the format menu will display like this. If you want to change the shape, so the text box is very long like this. If you want to become short, that means we do like this. So using dragging with the mouse, we can change the size also. Okay, like this. If you want to change the shape, here change shape option is there. Click on the change shape. See here, like this. Okay. Like this, change shape option. Using change shape option, we can change the shape also. Come to here, shadow effects. See here, shadow effects. Click on the shadow effects. Select any one of it, depend on your requirement. So immediately the reflection will change like this. Okay. Next, 3D effects is there. 3D effects. Click on here. See here. Which one you want, just click on there. So it will be applied to our text box. Next, position is there. Position. So what is position? Position means where we have to place the text box in our document. Click on the position. See here, so many formats are there. So beginning of the text, beginning of the document, middle of the document, right side of the document, like this. So depend on our requirement, we can place our text box in the document. Okay. Now I am going to type. So I am going to enter the text. Okay. Hello. See here. Hello. Good morning. See, if I am going to type the text, so on the text box it will not type the text. Okay. Now what can I do? Just click on the text box, go to format menu, go to wrap text is there. One option, wrap text is there. Click on the wrap text. See here, behind text is there. Here one option, behind text. Whenever I will click on the behind text, immediately the text will display on the text box. Otherwise the text box the text will not display on the picture, that is text box or any picture. So whenever we will select the behind the text option, immediately the text will display on the picture. Okay, Microsoft Word 2016, like this. Okay, using behind the text, format menu, wrap text, using behind text. In front of the text, that means see here, whenever you click on the in front of the text will hide behind the text box, like this. Wrap text behind the text, like this. Okay, next, rotate option is there. See here, rotate. So rotate option, we can rotate our text box like this. Depend on our requirement, we can select any one of it, like this. Okay, next, ODOT. What is ODOT? See here, ODOT is there. ODOT. What is ODOT? Using ODOT, we can type the text very attractively. We can focus the text very attractively. Okay, whenever we click on the ODOT, immediately some ODOT formats display like this. So select any one of it. Depend on our requirement, select any one of it. I selected this one. Okay, so immediately the dialog box displayed like this. So your text here, what we have to type, what we have to enter in the document. So we have to type here. I am entering the text, I were computers. Click on OK button. See here, immediately it display like this. What we select the format, in that format it will display. So once again, see here, so around the text some dots are there. Okay, so using the dots we can change the, see here, change the font like this. Okay, so if we click outside of the box, so around some dotted box is there na, whenever we click on the outside of the box, so immediately the dots will disappear. The dots will disappear. Okay, when see here, there is no other menu, developer help. So whenever we click on this text, immediately the format menu will display like this. ODOT tools format. Okay, format menu will display. Click on the format menu, same like this. Click on here. If you want to change the shape also, we can change like this. Change the shape also, we can change. So ODOT styles, if you want to change the shape like this, like this. Shadow effects, like this. Same position, wrap text, everything will be the same. Okay, next, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I wear computers. Thank you.